And we keep you ahead on the COVID situation in the country after witnessing over 4 lakh cases that were being recorded in India for the past 4 days. In the last 24 hours, India has recorded 3.66 lakh plus cases and over 3,500 deaths. Now, 10 states in the country that are responsible for over 73% cases that are being reported, and most of those states that have implemented a lockdown. How is it turning out on the ground? Here are some of those reports.
Sir, can you please provide the details of the hospital, just because from today onwards it would be operational and open for the patient?
As it's been briefed earlier, this hospital's request had come from Chandigarh administration, as the burden on the 2-3 hospitals which they have was quite a lot. So to ease out this burden, we have moved a field hospital from our rare areas, and we have brought in this field hospital which is fully equipped to take on 100 beds in terms of L1 and to some extent L2 facility. They are here with their complete equipment, manpower, paramedics, doctors, and this building has been given to us by Chandigarh administration. The complete beds, bedding and operational part is left to this hospital and its staff. So we hope that in coming times, since we are able to take on some load of these hospitals, the burden would be reduced in the district hospitals and state hospitals.
And so the entire paramedical staff and doctors would be available here are from the Indian Army only. How much is the number of the doctors and staff would be available?
The doctors are to the tune of almost 12 to 13 doctors who would be here, and paramedics are almost 100 odd. With that is the administrative staff and also the competence trained in medical handling.
How it comes, and can you please explain about this Operation Namaste?
The Operation Namaste is one of these keynotes which are said that the old timings or the timings we would not shake hands and would only do Namaste, basically to safeguard and maintain the protocol of the COVID.
And my last question is how the patients will arrive here. Will you take the recommendation from the government hospitals of Chandigarh, or the patients can directly walk into this hospital?
We have left, there is a procedure which has been instituted. That is, initially they go for their RT-PCR tests in the government hospitals. So once they have found fit as per the guidelines of the government, so they are referred to us for their next facility. So the referral will be made by Chandigarh administration, and then we take on from here, so that we are able to overall coordinate the patients. Otherwise, the coordination will not take place.